Welcome back. We are back on another episode of the BMW E30. Today we got a bunch of cool parts going on this thing. We're going to be focused on the interior, so stay tuned. It's going to be a good one. Show you guys the interior before we start swapping everything out. You guys can see the transformation. The interior obviously needs some good attention, so today we got a bunch of parts in for it. I'm going to show you guys what parts we got right now. A couple things that are going to really completely transform the interior, so check these out. Kind of sticking to the M3 color scheme a little bit. So what we got here, some M3 style mats. So we got these nice floor mats for them. They're going to look super sick. We got our door handle, which is going to, obviously, it's small things that go a long way. So we got our door handle for our driver's side door. We got our little shifter here. I guess you can just call it like the end of your shifter right here. I know it says sticking to the interior mostly today, but we got some center caps. So I want to throw these on. I don't know, these wheels aren't sticking around too long, but I wanted to order new center caps. They're cheap enough. And we also got a dash cover in this box here, so that's going to make a massive difference. And last but not least, check out these seats. Super stoked on finding these seats. I couldn't find anything stock for less than $800, and that was just for the seat covers themselves. So those are super expensive now. This thing is like a collector's item, I guess now. I found these E90 M3 seats for a pretty good price. We're gonna get cranking on this thing. Let's start by getting these seats out. How disgusting this is under the seat. Cigarette butts and everything. So we're gonna get the other seat out and we're gonna vacuum these both down, and we're gonna shampoo the crap out of this thing. That's disgusting. Ew, that's even worse. Ooh. Alright, with a little help from my tools and my buddy Jerry, we got the seats in. Jerry rigged really came in clutch, helped me get the seats in, so I'll show you guys what it looks like. Oh, these seats are so nice. Alright, next up is this piece of crap of a shifter knob. This thing is like beat to crap, so we got an OEM replacement. Let's swap this thing out. Alright, next up for the interior is this little door handle piece. I gotta pop this panel off. So unscrew this, 2 screws here, 1 screw here, pop it off, and swap this thing out. Heck yeah, guys, look what just came in the mail as we're working on a BMW. We get our, if you're following me on Instagram, you'll see that we needed that new hood latch thing to get the hood latch to actually close. This is the lock, so we're gonna throw this lock in. Hopefully we'll be able to actually shut the hood now. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see if we can shut this thing and open it back up with this new latch. Alright, let's try this again. I think I fixed it. Let's see if it'll latch. Oh! Now let's see if it'll unlatch. That's the big question. Oh, that was minty. You saw that? It's like a transformer. It's the small wins, baby. That's I'm most stoked about that today. That's so sick. because it's so satisfying. Oh! And, oh! Can we just take a moment to appreciate the pure nostalgia? Guys, I almost forgot we have these brand new BMW center caps that we're gonna throw on. This one right here is the most disgusting, nasty. This is, oh my God. Boom. Next thing is let's crack open this box and see what this dash cover looks like. Super stoked on this car so far. Let's get those floor mats, throw them in, and wait for that emblem, and I'll show you guys how sick this car is looking on the interior. Alright guys, that's the interior build on the E30. I think it came so far from what it was. It looks so much better. I'm super excited about it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Drop a like if you enjoyed this one, and subscribe because this thing is it's not done yet. Still got a couple more things planned for this, including some vintage Japanese wheels. So you guys are not going to want to miss it. Thanks for tuning in for this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.